welcome back to another video. I'm in the streets here in Granada in Nicaragua. This is the main commercial ave behind me, and I'm going to do a raw walk of this commercial ave for you so you can know what to expect when you come to Granada. A lot of good shopping here. The market's at the end. There's also a market on the side. I'll try and go in there and see. I'll see how it works out with the walk. But yeah, let's go for a little raw walk on Commercial Ave. So yeah, a lot of electronic stores. If you need like cell phone cases, looks like you can buy cell phones here. Get your SIM cards. If you don't have an Holafly eSIM and your phone's not new enough to have one, you can get the plastic ones here. But yeah, pretty much anything you can think of, you can buy in this area. The Radio Shack right here. We went in there. Better pricing than Costa Rica, that's for sure. So yeah, different types of clothing, shoes, watches. Scott's taking photos. So yeah, some side streets as well. Got fruit. Some handbags, backpacks. Looks like a radio station here. Or maybe that's the name of the store. So yeah, cars can drive down here and the big chicken buses as well, so you definitely want to be careful when you're walking. So yeah, the market goes on both sides of this, mostly down this way. We'll take a walk down there after we go to the end of the street here. Such friendly people here. Except for that guy.
A las 7 de la noche no me estaban diciendo que yo ahí.
I think this is the main market here.
a traer? Ya, entre unas 2 horas más o menos.
All right, so that's it for that area there. Mercado's up here. I think it's in the old building we walked past, which is right there. Judging by Google Maps. But yeah, we'll go back to that one street I was talking about now.
One time for YouTube.
Hey! ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien, everything good.
Awesome. ¿Todo bien?
El diablo.
Hola. So yeah, this is the main entrance to the market here. We're gonna go in there later in a different video, but yeah, it looks really cool. ¿Todo bien?
Vale.
Alrighty. Find any good ones? Yeah, watch here. I think go down this way. Yeah. Oh, no, gotcha. So yeah, this borders the main market, which is on the right. So a lot of stuff in here as well.
Eso sí lo miré.
Tres por 20, 3 por 20, 3 por 20, doña.
All right, so I'm just gonna go that far. Yeah, just a quick raw walkthrough of the main commercial street here where you can buy a lot of stuff and then where the main market is. Yeah, it's really cool. It's always so busy and everybody's just hustling out here trying to make a dollar. But yeah, I love the feeling down here, walking with everybody here shopping and selling their goods and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
Mi primer millón que yo gané, gracias a Dios, reloj hublot, defendió Dios.